My dear students, welcome to Karnataka Learning Management System. Myself Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, GFGC and PG Center, Chintamani, Chikkaballapur District. In this video, I am presenting you BSc Mathematics Paper 2, Session 33, Envelopes and Method of Finding Envelopes for Cartesian Curves with Examples. First, let us know the definition of envelope. The envelope of a one parameter of family of curves is the locus of limiting positions of the points of intersection of any two curves of the family when one of them tends to coincide with other, which is kept fixed. You see, this is the family of circles varying between y is equal to plus or minus 1. See, all these circles, they are intersecting each other. Okay, now let us see the method of finding envelopes. So, to obtain the envelope of family of curves f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0, to obtain the envelope of the family of curves f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0, first partially differentiate with respect to the parameter alpha. Thus, we get dou by dou alpha of f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. See, partially differentiating the given curve f of x comma y comma alpha with respect to alpha, we get dou by dou alpha of f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. Now, among these two equations, eliminate alpha. Eliminating alpha between f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0 and dou by dou alpha of f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0, we obtain the equation of the envelope. Now, let us find the envelope of family of straight lines y is equal to alpha x plus a by alpha, where alpha is a parameter. So, here the given family is y is equal to alpha x plus a by alpha. Take this given curve as equation 1. Now, differentiating partially with respect to alpha, we get the derivative of y is 0, derivative of alpha x with respect to alpha is x, plus a by alpha's derivative is minus a by alpha square. Now, by equating this to alpha square, we get alpha square is equal to a by x. So, this is the equation 2. Now, see, equation 1 is the given curve and equation 2 is its derivative with respect to alpha. Now, using equations 1 and 2, our third step is eliminating alpha by these two equations. So, we have to eliminate alpha. So, using these two equations, we get, substitute the values here. So, we get y is equal to alpha value is root of a by x. Hence, y is equal to alpha x plus a by alpha becomes root of a by x into x plus a by root of a by x. See, we have substituted for alpha in the equation 1. Now, by simplifying this, we get y is equal to root a into root x plus root ax, that is nothing but 2 root ax. By taking square of y square is equal to 2 root ax whole square, that is nothing but y square is equal to 4ax. So, this is the required envelope of the family of lines and it is a parabola. Find the envelope of the family of curves y is equal to mx plus root of a square m square plus b square, where m is the parameter. So, what is the given curve here? It is nothing but y is equal to mx plus root of a square m square plus b square. We get y minus mx is equal to root of a square m square plus b square. So, this just to remove the square root, we transferred mx to this side. Now y minus mx is equal to root of a square m square plus b square. By squaring both sides, we get y minus mx whole square is equal to a square m square plus b square. By expanding y minus mx whole square and transferring terms to one side, we get m square into x square minus a square minus 2mxy plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. When we differentiate this equation partially with respect to m. See, when you differentiate m square, you will get 2m into x square minus a square, that is the first term, minus 2mx. If you differentiate with respect to m, it is minus 2xy, and plus y square and minus b square are constants because there is no m term. Hence, the derivative of this equation with respect to m is 2m into x square minus a square minus 2xy is equal to 0. Now 2 you can cancel, that is m into x square minus a square minus xy is equal to 0. Now we have to eliminate m value, that's why let us equate this equation to m. So we get m is equal to xy by x square minus a square. Just equate this to m. So take this as equation 2. Now by using the equation 1 and 2, 1 is the given equation, that is y is equal to mx plus root of a square m square plus b square, and the m is the second equation after differentiating with respect to m we got. So substitute for m xy by a square minus y square in the equation 1. So we get x square y square by x square minus a square whole square into x square minus a square minus 2xy by m square minus a square into xy plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. So we get x square y square by x square minus a square minus 2x square y square by x square minus a square plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. 1 x square minus a square and x square minus a square cancels here. So the equation reduces to this equation. Minus x square y square by x square a square and plus y square minus b square remains as it is. So further simplifying this by taking LCM and simplifying, we get minus x square y square plus y square minus b square into x square minus a square is equal to 0. Multiplying these terms, we get minus x square y square plus x square y square minus y square a square minus b square x square plus a square b square is equal to 0. Now see, this x square y square cancels. See, after cancelling these two terms, this term and this term, after cancelling, we have minus y square a square minus b square x square plus a square b square. Divide this equation by a square b square. So here a square cancels, so y square by b square, and here b square cancels, that is square by a square is equal to 1. So which is the equation of the ellipse. So evolute of this curve is ellipse. So therefore x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, which represents an ellipse, and this is the equation of envelope. We'll take one more question. Find the envelope of family of the curves x square minus a square plus y square is equal to 4a, where a is the parameter. Let us take up the given equation, that is x square minus a square plus y square is equal to 4a. Now simplify this. So we get x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square minus 4a is equal to 0. Further rearranging the terms, a square minus 2a into x plus 2. See, we have removed 2 outside among these two terms. So minus 2a into x plus 2 plus x square plus y square is equal to 0. So let us take this simplified equation as equation 1. Then differentiate this equation with respect to the parameter a. So derivative of a square is 2a minus 2a into x plus 2, derivative is 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, because x square derivative is 0 with respect to a, y square derivative is also 0. Hence the derivative is 2a minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we equate this to a, 2 get cancelled, so a is equal to x plus 2. This is our equation 2. Now observe equation 1 and 2. Among these two equations, we are supposed to eliminate a. So substitute a value in equation 1. So we get, instead of a square, x plus 2 whole square minus 2 into a value x plus 2 into x plus 2 we have. So we have taken it as x plus 2 whole square plus x square plus y square as it is. Now simplify these equations. Minus 2x plus 2 whole square and 1x plus 2 whole square we have. So by subtracting this we get minus x plus 2 whole square plus x square y square is equal to 0. Now expand x plus 2 whole square, that is minus x square minus 4x minus 4, and this x square plus y square as it is we have taken. So by simplifying this equation we get y square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the required envelope.